Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Videos. So this is lecture 3 on C programming language. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can insert a single line comment and how we can insert a multi-line comment. Okay, cool. So whenever you want to explain the code for someone else and you have written the code and you want to explain it to others, so what we need to do, what is the logic of that code? So what we will do is we will write some comments on it. Okay, so if it is single line comments, then we will use two forward slashes and we'll write the comment. If the comment comes in only one line, if the comment is of multi-line, so we'll insert slash star and we'll write the comment. Then, but for ending, we'll write star slash. So now, whenever your compiler sees this single line comment with two forward slashes, so it will understand that okay, this is not the code, this is just the command and it won't execute it. It will do the same thing for multi-line comment also. Whenever it sees slash star and some values in it, there is some comments in it, so it will treat that as a comment and it won't execute it. So let us try this. Now say this statement, printf statement I'm printing, and I'm printing hello world. So on the same line I'm writing this is a comment. Now when I run this code, you can see the code is running pretty much straight, just it is printing hello world. This is the comment, it is not printing. Okay, now let us see the multi-line comments. So this is called as multi-line comment. So how do we insert it? Slash star, then you write your comment. So if the comment is of 2-3 lines, so I'll write 2-3 lines of comments, then star slash. Okay, star slash denote that it is an ending of the comment. Next I'm printing hello world. Now if I run this code, so code is running pretty much straight. So there is just, it is printing hello world and it has skipped the comments. That's it for today guys. So let us meet in the next video, and if you have liked the content, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.